Chase, man. What you got? Can you tell Grandma Susie thanks for the chocolate? Thanks for the chocolate, Grandma Susie.
Thank you for the chocolate for me.
What was that? What'd you say?
I love Dada.
What did you say? Thank you, Grandma Susie, for the chocolate?
Yeah.
Say it again.
Thank you, Grandma Susie. I'm a statue now. Bye.
She's a statue. Let's see your tap toes. You tapping?
In front of the camera.
Chase. Chase, man. No. Chase, man. Chase. Can you say thanks for the chocolate, Susie? I didn't like it at all. Don't touch me. Thanks for the chocolate, Susie.
Ah!
There's sexual information that's being exchanged, period. And that's really
Hey.
what the underlying issue is here.
How you doing, Chase?